Alright, hey, what's up everybody? It's Christian L here with Eat Like an Apex. We are here in South San Francisco, California, and we're visiting and celebrating Shauna's dad's birthday here at Yama's house. They're having this get-together this weekend, preparing food, and I'm excited to share with you the celebration, the food, to be here, to hang out with family. They're Peruvian and Asian, so we're gonna get a mix of like maybe some Chinese cuisine, some Peruvian cuisine, some barbecue. With that said, stick with me here as we unfold this celebration, this feast. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I hope you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. And I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now. Hey, Ma.
Hi.
Hi. Good to see you. Pumpkin seeds. Figs. Oh yeah, these figs are good. Yeah. Poppy seeds. Yep, nice and ripe.
So good. Somebody wants to see me.
Yeah, there's a man first.
Rocoto. So they have a plant.
Who's that? Hi, sir.
Sure. The other stuff is there are some Peruvian desserts.
Oh. Go ahead.
My nieces brought them.
Those are granolas. Kamote.
Kamote, no?
Sweet potato?
Purple yam.
Purple yam. Or kamote.
Kamote.
Kamote. This is also called kamote in Peruvian. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Peruvian kamote. Oh, that's like. Yeah, kind of think about like a sweet potato, purple yam, starchy, and slightly creamy too. That's delicious. Wow. Another fig here. I had a fig earlier. These figs are so delicious. Picked right off the tree right here.
We're gonna dump the whole thing in.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Dad.
Hang on, happy birthday!
Wow, 呢個位置啊，宵夜咁啊 pretty good 啊。
唔係，啲成我 best time 飲呢隻龍井。
哦，龍井。
龍井西湖龍井。
龍井 tea， 西洋龍井。
Hey, these are the rocotos.
Rocoto. Oh my goodness. There's a Rocoto garden here. Wow. Okay, so they have a Rocoto plant here that have the chilies. I'm telling you right now, those chilies are supremely, respectfully hot. Peruvian chilies, man.
Tommy, say
Hey, Tommy.
It was through my phone, so it might not have been very quickly because she said she wanted it like the next day. It's a good, beautiful weather today. Yeah. Dad, you want to try something?
Those are candy.
Here's like a magic something for 20. The other week,
So I picked up a few items here.
3
These are
hours,
some
like
hearty
I was
items
super
here.
tired.
I believe this is the duck. I'm gonna try the duck first now. Try the duck out.
Yeah, didn't use it at all.
That duck is nice and fatty.
No phone calls. Gotta hold her down.
How you been, Mario? Oh, a wide noodle chow fun with that beef, with some bean sprouts, slightly sweet, like a soy teriyaki-ish, maybe some oyster sauce. Oh, that's fantastic, yeah. Yeah, there you have tofu here too.
Yeah, Carol.
That's like a wet fried tofu. Oh yeah. I have a giant Brussels sprout here.
Oh meat from the grill.
自己唔使唔使。
Yeah, that's just all naturally fresh boiled Brussels sprout. Good Brussels sprout, Yima. The Brussels sprout, very good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, so good. They have a drunken chicken here, a little bit dressed with ginger
Yeah.
and garlic. Here we go.
Thanks, Dad.
So that drunken chicken is served chilled, but still tender, still full of that wonderful ginger flavor. Oh yeah, I love it. Shauna loaded my plate up with the rib and a barbecue chicken. Happy birthday, Mario. Mario's birthday. Gonna try that rib now. Give it a bite.
I'm gonna try a bite.
Oh yeah, I should go back. That is just straight from the grill. Hot, tender, flavorful. Oh,
Muchas gracias.
fantastic. Moving on now. They have the chicken from the grill. How was it?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Shauna says the chicken was good.
You should open up
It's still
the
hot.
outside.
Here we go.
Yeah. Can you bring me a cup, Dum? Dum?
Hot. That is so tender. Piping hot. You do taste that slight marinade over it. It's like a barbecue dressing, slight bit of spice, not very much. So good. Okay, ready? This spread is fantastic. There's a variety of food here, and I'm still working on it. Try that corn now. That's a sweet corn. Yeah, it's a sweet corn. I love those popping kernels. All right, I'm gonna try this duck here. I think I had duck earlier, but this one was in a container too, so I wanna try that duck meat.
You lose weight.
Yeah, see?
Oh, wow.
Hold up.
That duck is super fatty. Yeah, that's good. Fatty duck,
Daddy, that right?
so juicy. Yeah, so much flavor. And I think the other one I had earlier was like a Peking duck, fried, crispy, and the other one I just had just now, it's a rendered, boiled down duck full of flavor. Oh yeah. The name of this dish is donggu gayo. The mushroom. Donggu gayo. Donggu gayo. Mushroom.
佢係咩啊？菲律賓啊？Yeah, international language.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, very good. Oh wow, that mushroom's like a soft, juicy, fungusy. Yeah, that's good. Oh, they have a lotus root. Oh my god. I was advised that this right here can be used as a dipping sauce, the Rocoto salsa. And I do want some spice right now. There we go. You know what? I taste the Rocoto, but the spice isn't as overwhelming as the chili I've had. No, but you know what? But I like that flavor of the Rocoto, that chili. It's slightly hot, but not very hot. That's just flavorful.
His parents, I think they just
More of that Rocoto chili sauce.
he's beat the
I'm gonna put some of that Rocoto on the ribs too. Wine. So this pork chop, it needs to be layered with that Rocoto sauce. This sauce is a must-have. You gonna buy that? I am loving this sauce. Salsa de Rocoto. So they said this was like a boiled apple water, not necessarily apple juice, but just apples that were boiled, and they use that water, fill it in here, cool it, and boom. I like that.
Yeah, Tommy, go. Yeah.
They have lamb chops. I can't say no to lamb chops. So they're just continuing to bring more food out. Barbecued lamb chops, barbecued pork. Wow, that lamb chop, man. Oh, that is juicy, meaty. Oh, medium rare. Cheese, that pink in the inside. And oh yeah, that Rocoto chili needs to come with it. That's fantastic, man. Perfectly grilled lamb chop. So I learned something new from Tayshawn. She says that a lot of like corn, potatoes, sweet potatoes, yams, they're kind of Peruvian. And she said they cultivate different kinds of potatoes. So we got a mix of Peruvian food here, as I said before. Asian influence, Peruvian influence, American influence, barbecue, all kinds. So, oh yeah. Oh hi, Mom. Me too. Yeah. So I got the shrimp. I'm open right now. Put in that sauce.
Swordfish?
Usually they do like the like start. You want to split it?
The head? I like the head, especially it's bitter. Wow.
I'll grab one without the head. Okay.
Only food.
Oh wow. Oh, that's just naturally grilled. I don't think any added ingredient, maybe some salt. It's all natural, barbecued. Sardines. Down to the bone. Like a sardina or a miniature mackerel. It's so good. Alright, here goes that cake. Princess cake. That's like a raspberry filling, super moist. And a mango layer with the raspberry on top. Yeah, and that cream. Oh yeah. That mango crust is what does it.
Anybody has
More of
room on
that.
their plate for the chocolate one?
Man, my plate is loaded.
What is it made out of?
Thank you. Lucuma. There's a fruit.
Came inside to tackle on the dessert. What we have here is a Lucuma, but it's a Peruvian ice cream. I think Yuma said like with apples. Here we go.
Lucuma.
Oh, Lucuma. Wow. That's like an ice cream that I've never tried before. Whoa, this is the first time having it. This Peruvian ice cream. Oh yeah, it's kind of like very starchy. Still ice creamy. You get that cool icy effect, but it's more like a sticky, peanut buttery, starchy texture. Yeah, you taste that apple. It's very interesting. It's really delicious. Okay, this was a pretty great experience to hang out with the family, celebrate birthdays. Great celebration, fantastic food. Just close it off at that here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that. Peace out, one love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Later.